So I want to share with you my top 5 design books for 2018. I have heaps of other books and I'll do some other videos showing you some of them. I love to buy in batches, so usually I'll go on Amazon or Book Depository and I'll do research and look at recommended lists and find the best books that are going to be beneficial to me. So here's just my top 5 that I recently bought and I want to show you guys. So top 1 is Marty Neumeier and it's called Zag. This talks about branding. It talks about how to differentiate yourself in the market, and it talks about that branding is what they say it is. It's not what you say it is. So it talks about, different steps of branding, how to stand out, how to, talk to your customers and your users and really, differentiate yourself in the market today. Second one is Douglas Davis, by Douglas Davis. It's called Creative Strategy and the Business of Design. This really talks about the creative strategy and creative framework and how to talk to people who are not designers and that are business people or marketers when you're doing with high value clients. And it shows you the process and how to execute as well, but mainly talks about branding and strategy. So this is super helpful if you want to up your game in that area. And we got Freelance and Business and Stuff by Hutzpah. This book is super cool. It's got like nice illustrations in it. They're a branding studio in California, I'm pretty sure. And this is really good for beginners if you want to learn the basics of freelancing. They talk about contracts, they talk about how to price your projects, they talk about how to promote yourself, just heaps of cool little tips and tricks. And it was a funny read as well. So I kind of like this one. It's really refreshing, to get different people's perspectives on how they work and their process. Fourth one is Branding by Michael Johnson. I'm still in the process of reading this one. It has a lot of references and it shows you some branding projects and it's got, a lovely layout. It's a good print and it'll show you some different executions and examples and just heaps of cool stuff. Bit of the process of branding, and this one is brand new, so it's really good and it's good, nice and sturdy as well. And then we got, last but not least, we got Lugar Modernism by Mueller and Julius Alderman, if I said that right. It's a huge book, like it's ginormous, it's massive, but it's really cool. It's got like heaps and heaps of logos, as you can see there. It's awesome. So it's good for inspiration if I need a logo design or I'm looking for symbols or different types of letter forms or like a monogram. Like it's got all types of logos in there. And pretty much this, I probably won't buy another logo book because this pretty much is everything. And, because most logos, they've already been designed in the world. It's just about, transforming it, adding your own flavor into it and also designing, but also designing for the specific client and specific need. So yeah, cool book. Those are my books for 2018. And hit subscribe, hit comment, hit like, whatever you want to do. And I'll be posting more videos and tutorials up every week, so check it out.